A portable projector is a compact and lightweight device that allows users to project images, videos, or presentations onto a screen or surface, making it ideal for on-the-go entertainment, business meetings, or educational purposes. Unlike traditional projectors that require fixed installations, portable projectors are easy to carry and set up, often featuring wireless connectivity, built-in batteries, and compatibility with various devices such as smartphones, laptops, and tablets. The importance of portable projectors lies in their versatility and convenience, enabling users to transform any space into a media hub or presentation area without the need for complex setups, making them valuable for both professional and personal use. In today's video, we will show you the top 5 portable projectors. And don't forget to hit that like button and subscribe for more awesome content. Let's jump right in. Starting of our list at number 5, Toptro B1. The Toptro 2024 upgraded battery-powered projector is a versatile and portable solution for anyone seeking an easy-to-use, high-quality entertainment experience. With a powerful 20,000 mAh battery, it delivers up to 2.5 hours of continuous video and audio playback, making it perfect for outdoor activities, camping, and traveling. This projector features a built-in Android system with Wi-Fi and Bluetooth, allowing users to access apps like YouTube, Netflix, and Prime Video, as well as connect to devices like iOS/Android phones, PC, and PS5. The electric focus and auto vertical keystone correction ensure a hassle-free setup and distortion-free images. With ultra-fast 5G Wi-Fi, Bluetooth 5.2, and hi-fi stereo speakers, it provides seamless streaming and immersive sound, making it ideal for home theaters, gaming, and presentations. The projector's sealed optical system guarantees durability, preventing issues like yellowing or black spots. Its compact, lightweight design with a carry handle offers easy portability for indoor and outdoor use, while the multi-device connection options, including HDMI, USB, and audio ports, allow it to connect to a wide range of devices. Here is the item number 4, Putrims S28. The Putrims S28 mini projector delivers an impressive viewing experience with its versatile features and sleek design. The 145 degrees adjustable stand ensures users can easily find the perfect viewing angle, whether projecting onto a wall or ceiling, while the electric focus function allows for quick, precise adjustments with just a button press on the remote. With auto keystone correction and a 100% to 50% zoom feature, the S28 provides an ideal, customizable display without needing to physically move the projector. Offering 1080p support in 300 ANSI brightness, this projector brings crisp, vibrant images with excellent contrast, making it perfect for home theater setups. The integration of 5G plus 2.4G Wi-Fi and Bluetooth 5.2 ensures smooth streaming and easy connections to Bluetooth devices like speakers or headphones. Despite some HDCP limitations that prevent direct wireless streaming from certain apps, users can still enjoy seamless content with a TV stick. Compact and lightweight, the S28 projector is ideal for both indoor and outdoor use, delivering flexibility and high-quality performance. The item number 3, Onoayo ONO3. The ONO3 smart projector revolutionizes home entertainment with its self-developed smart TV OS, offering a seamless and responsive experience without the delays of traditional systems. With built-in Netflix, Prime Video, YouTube, and access to over 200,000 plus videos, users can enjoy endless content straight out of the box, eliminating the need for extra devices. The projector delivers an impressive 800 ANSI brightness and 4K support, enhancing every frame with AI image optimization for stunning clarity and color reproduction, covering 98% of the NTSC color gamut. Dolby-certified hi-fi stereo dual speakers and AI sound balancing create an immersive 3D sound experience, while electric focus and 4D/4P keystone correction ensure perfectly sharp and clear images every time. Weighing only 2.4 pounds and utilizing the latest Wi-Fi 6 technology, this ultra-portable projector is easy to carry, making it the perfect choice for both indoor and outdoor entertainment. Whether it's movie night or a casual gathering, the ONO3 projector provides an unforgettable visual and auditory experience. Number 2 on our list, Elephas BL128. The Elephas mini projector is a compact, high-definition projector that combines portability with powerful performance, making it ideal for both indoor and outdoor use. Weighing as little as a smartphone, this projector is designed with the latest technology, including Germany's Osram LED projection system and a German emerald glass lens that supports 1080p HD resolution and 24-bit true color, delivering vivid, detailed images with over 16.77 million colors. With a massive 200-inch screen projection, it offers a cinema-like experience wherever it goes. Mini size, big impact. The projector also features a built-in hi-fi speaker for impressive sound, reducing the need for external speakers. Equipped with versatile ports like USB, HDMI, AV, and Chromecast, it seamlessly connects to devices like laptops, tablets, smartphones, and media players. Portable and convenient, the projector comes with a mini tripod stand and power station support for easy setup, making it the perfect companion for movie nights or presentations, whether at home or outdoors. Despite its small size, the Elephas mini projector stands out with excellent image quality, low fan noise, and impressive connectivity options. Easy setup, seamless entertainment. The top one in our list, TMY V08. The V08 upgraded 1080p HD video projector delivers an impressive cinematic experience with its native 720p resolution and support for 1080p Full HD, featuring advanced 3 LCD color calibrating technology. It offers more intricate colored details and vibrant images. With Bluetooth 5.1, the projector enhances audio synchronization and allows wireless connections to Bluetooth speakers or headphones for a better sound experience. The projector also comes with a portable, foldable, anti-wrinkle projection screen, ensuring wider viewing angles and enhanced picture clarity. It supports a wide range of devices through its HDMI, USB, TF card, and 3.5mm headphone ports, making it easy to connect to laptops, game consoles, and more. The V08 is designed to project images from 32-inch to 220 with a contrast ratio of 5,000 to 1, ensuring crisp, bright visuals. With its long-lasting lamp life of 60,000 hours and compatibility with phones and tablets via HDMI adapters, this portable projector is a versatile solution for creating a mobile home cinema experience anywhere. Hope you found this video helpful to find out the best portable projector amongst a lot of items. If you found this helpful, please give a like. Comment your valuable opinion and tell us which one is perfect for you. Subscribe to our channel to get the latest updates on different product reviews.